Okay, these twists have been in for about a week, so let's unravel them, separate and fluff, and rock our twist out. I applied a little bit of oil to my hands just to add some shine and help me with the separation process. So as you can see, I put bobby pins on my hair to push my edges back. So if you're not into edge control, you can use that instead of edge control, you know, because that's just one less product to build up on your head. And then I just did my baby hairs. I only use leave-in conditioner, nothing fancy for that. Leave-in conditioner does a great job on your baby hair as well as your regular hair. This little toothbrush I just got from the beauty supply store, so you could probably find one at your local beauty supply store. So this is the final look. I think I really do love twist outs. They're easier to do as a style and they're easier to unravel and separate. So I might be transitioning to a twist out girl more so than a braid out girl. But I hope you liked the video. If you did, please subscribe. I'd love to have you as a part of my family, and if you'd like to, you can also give me a thumbs up. But until next time, see ya.
Lead them from temptation, make them royalty. All the things we face and make us question it. Lead us to salvation, pour that oil please. That's how we become kings.